Hey there. We are bringing you along to lunch with us today. And we are going to share with you our favorite restaurant. And this is actually going to be our fifth or sixth video we've done at our favorite restaurant. We never get sick of the restaurant, but a long time ago we decided we weren't going to do many more videos because we thought we had done enough. But they have moved locations. So let me just tell you really quick. The name of the restaurant is called Som Tam Jae Phueng. That's how it's spelled. That might not be how they say it, but that's how we say it. Som Tam Jae Phueng. It's on Soi 102. I'm going to put the map up here in the upper left-hand corner. It's very close to their old location, but brand new. They built it from the ground up. Kim, I have a question for you.
Yeah.
What are we ordering today for everybody who's watching this?
I would think we would probably order the things we always order.
Like fried papaya salad,
Yeah.
which potentially could be our favorite food in Thailand. Would you agree?
It's one of my favorites for sure.
Penang chicken, maybe Penang shrimp,
Yep.
cashew chicken, maybe a tom yum soup with shrimp, and some rice and some other things. So thanks for watching. We'll show you the new location, tell you how the service is, which we expect it to be amazing, show you how the food is, we expect it to be amazing. Curious if they raised their prices. Probably didn't, but their prices are extraordinary, and so if they even raised them a little bit, it's not too big of a deal. And that's it. So we'll see you in a bit. Hey there. So we've arrived. And Kim, what's the first word that comes to your mind when you saw the place?
Holy crap.
Yeah, mine was wow. Like, it is night and day from what it was. And let me turn the camera around. Parking was also an issue at the last place. Not that it was an issue, but it was a challenge, right? Look at the parking lot they have here. And it looks like it's still a work in progress. But here's the parking lot right behind the restaurant. And they have concrete on the way in. And I noticed that the kitchen is open to like the walking area. So I'm sure when we walk by, we'll be saying hi to everybody. Swadee Kap, Sabadi Mai. Swadee Kap. Hello, hello. So look at all the seating they have outside in the front. They've got covered seating over there. They've got covered seating here, and they have indoor seating. And guess where we're going, Kim?
Indoors.
We're going indoor. Cool. So Kim, once you're inside and you see how much seating they have inside and outside, what's the first thing that comes to your mind?
Lordy.
Lordy? Is that what you said, Lordy?
Lordy.
Wow.
It's big.
Yeah, it's big.
This is big.
Let's show you the menu if you've never seen it before. So they show you how to order your spiciness here. And it is essentially the same menu. I will go through it fairly quickly. You can hit the stop button on the video if you'd like to see what things are and what the costs are. But actually, I'll go like this because this is an extensive menu. I think there's upwards of 400 items on the menu. So let's say we're up to 358, 360. Some desserts. We're up to 418. So there are 418 menu items. And we're going back to our originals. So stick with us and we'll show you what we order. So hey, we modified our order a little bit, didn't we?
We did.
And why is that? We saw something on the menu that we haven't seen before, didn't we?
We did, yes. Khao Soi.
Khao Soi. If you don't know what Khao Soi is, it's a northern Thailand chicken soup where there's going to be a chicken drum leg, chicken leg, and just a really savory soup with noodles, right?
Yeah.
And would you say it's one of your favorite things?
It is. It is. It's good here. The best we've had is in Chiang Mai, but
yeah, we're excited
here in Hua Hin, but this place we've never had it here.
Yeah, we're excited to try it here. And then we went back to some of our regulars. We got fried papaya salad.
Yep.
We can't wait to share that with you because we love it. We got Penang chicken with white rice, which is amazing. If you have never had Penang anything, you should try it. Cashew chicken is always a good one. And that's it. So, and it feels like we ordered light, but I don't think we ordered light, did we? Because the Khao Soi, we each got a Khao Soi. We're not splitting the Khao Soi. So, looking forward to sharing that with you, right?
Yep.
While we're waiting on the food to come out, I thought I'd walk outside and just show you what it looks like from the street and how impressive the place really is, and give you a little update on the location. I said I'm gonna put a map up here, which is cool, but it is also right next to My Stle Hua Hin. So it's like right next to the My Stle condos. Looks like they actually used the same color scheme. See the orange? So that's the restaurant right there. So there's the entrance. There's the sign, Jae Phueng. And they've got some nice little statues and decor out here. They've got scooter parking. Like I said, the car parking's in the back. They've got the kitchen open down the whole length of the restaurant. And they also look like they have the line and grab pickup right there. They've got some nice plants. They've got a nice little statue with some bumblebees and plates of Som Tam or papaya salad. And look at how nice this looks. So Kim was saying they had a chandelier or something in here and I didn't see it. Kim, where's the chandelier?
Right behind you.
Oh yeah, right there?
Yeah.
All right, she's right. They have chandelier in here. Our cashew chicken has arrived, and we were so excited to eat it, we forgot all about you guys, didn't we? We'll try to do better when the rest of the food comes out. Our fried papaya salad has shown up just 30 seconds after our cashew chicken, and our Penang chicken has also shown up about 5 seconds after. And for a minute, Kim, I didn't think we over-ordered. We definitely over-ordered, didn't we?
Yeah.
Because we still have Khao Soi to come.
Yep.
So there's two ways we usually eat the fried papaya salad. Kim was just showing you the first way, where you pick up a chunk of it like this and you dip it in the sauce. And the other way is to just take all the sauce, pour it right over there, because the coating absorbs everything, would you say? And I think either way is good, right? Mm-hmm. And the Khao Soi has just arrived. Let me show you what it looks like in there. So look at, they gave you 2 chicken legs actually, Kim.
Yes.
2, which we've never had 2 before. And then these are like a crispy noodle. Would you say that? Mm-hmm. And just the sauce. Oh my God. And I just tried a little bite of the sauce and it's amazing. And then you throw all these condiments in there. There's like garlic, sort of like some pickle stuff and some lime, some bean sprouts and some onions and some spicy. You just throw it all in there, mix it all up, and it is absolute goodness. If you watch our videos a lot, you'll notice that we don't typically show us eating the food, but I just crushed my Khao Soi, and I think this is worthy of, oh my God, look at, it's just falling apart.
It is super tender.
Look at, oh, she's not even able to pick it up. She's just
Yeah,
pulling
it's just
the
pulling.
chicken off. But why don't you try to pick that thing up and take a bite of the chicken wing?
Okay.
Look at that chicken wing right there. She already took the skin off. Let me show you something. Let me just do this. Look at it. It is so, so tender. And what's your first thought of the flavor?
Really good.
Really good, right?
Oh yeah.
a new must-have for us here. We've never had it here, but we will be having it again. Really good, right? So Kim just said something to me. She said, "I'm sad that I'm so full and I can't eat anymore." Let's see what she's doing. What are you doing? I thought you were too full to eat anymore.
It's my last bite.
Dude, give us your Mark Wiens. Okay, thank you. Oh, we're headed to the car. Stuffed. We were going to go to the movies. Kim asked if I wanted to go home instead and watch TV and hang out on the couch, and I suspected that's what she wanted to do, so that's what we're going to be doing. I want to show you though, right outside the back, this is where the bathrooms are. So the men's room is right there. Women's room's over there. Again, that's the parking lot, and that's the back entrance right there to the restaurant. Some of you may have noticed we got a new car. So there it is right there. What we had was a Toyota CHR. It's funny, we wanted a Toyota Cross on Koh Samui, right, Kim?
Yep.
But there was only one car they could get us, and it was the Toyota CHR. So we took that. We liked it. We had it for, 3 or 4 years, and really liked it. Very reliable. But we did find it lacking in space, so we bought this upgraded or bigger version of a Toyota Cross right here, and we traded in our CHR, and happy with the whole process, huh, Kim?
Yeah, it was pretty easy.
All right, so thanks for watching. As usual, like, subscribe, comment, shoot us a message, and we'll be happy to help you out any way we can.